So go ahead and close your eyes. Just put everything down, put your pencils down, your paper, let your shoulders drop. It's going to be a good year. It's going to be a good year. It's going to be worth the ride. All right. It's going to be worth the ride. So just go ahead and close your eyes and just talk to your body. Say hello to your physical body and just let your body know it's like, yep, going to be a lot of changes in 2024, but I promise you, I'm going to support you. I'm going to do what's needed to support you so that you are comfortable. Say hello to that beautiful soul of yours, your own spirit that is illuminating your pineal. So I'm just going to call you all forward. Come front and center, fully in your body. Move front and center, right in the center of your head, behind your eyes, a little above your ears, which is where the light of your soul is coming in and illuminating your pituitary and your pineal glands. Let's go ahead and ground to the center of the earth. So the easiest is just to pretend you're like a tree that has roots. But you want your roots to go down the almost 4,000 miles where the magnetic core is of the center of the earth. So just pretend, play, and imagine that your root system, or whatever image you want to work with, it could be dolphins, whales, waterfalls, uh, colorful ribbons, unicorns, horses, hedgehogs. It can be anything you want. But go ahead and ground yourself all the way to the center of the earth, and then just start letting go, releasing anything that's getting stirred up for you about moving into 2024, even if it's excitement. Now allow the surge of this beautiful earthy blue light to come right up through the earth, right up through your grounding, right up through your legs. And it'll be just like feeling this beautiful, crystal clear air that's comforting and soothing energy, like this plasma photonic light of blue, but it's this earthy blue. It's very supportive. Allow it to flow all the way up through your legs, your body, your arms, your shoulders, through your neck, out the top of your head, so that the earth can show you how supportive it can be for you in 2024. It's like a gentle waterfall, but it's flowing upwards. A little bit more up through your head, through your forehead, the top of your head. We often feel so much pressure there. So allow the blue earth energy to flow upward, lifting that cap, that pressure off of your head and letting it flow even 20, 30 feet high like a fountain. Beautiful. So go ahead and allow yourself to open your eyes and look around the room that you are in and know that you can always call upon the Earth's support system, whether it's blue or any other color of Earth energy. All frequencies are enhancing you within that range that's unique to you. So you may see green, even though I guided you blue. So let it just flow right on up and out the top of the head. And you can do that every day if you'd like.